Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of the new Delhi watch company Triple Crown. So I bought the new variant of the Triple Crown, and we'll do an unboxing and a review for you guys. So here is the packaging, guys. This comes with this very nice leather pouch. It says Delhi watch company and the logo right here. Very good quality pouch. At the back here we have the Triple Crown sticker. So I'll show you. Actually I'm outside, so I'm doing this handheld. So here is the pouch, and here we have the watch. I bought the navy color, so here is the watch. I'll be showing you. Here are the contents, guys. This is the pouch which I showed you. This is the watch. I'll be covering in details. This is the cleaning cloth which they provide with every watch. It says Delhi Watch Company. This is a cleaning cloth. Very nice cleaning cloth. Next, here we have two pamphlets. One it says Delhi Watch Company. This is also a warranty card, 1 year warranty card. Here is a how to use kind of a barcode care and maintenance guide. Here is the Delhi Watch Company Triple Crown, and this is the navy color. Beautiful color, and here is the side profile. So let's talk about the watch in details. So here in the front, here we have a 39 case diameter watch with lug to lug is 46 and lug width is 20. This is a 20 lug width, and so previously this watch was launched at a price of 4,499, which is 4,500 rupees, but this time this new variant was priced 6,000 rupees because they have introduced some good upgrades. First up, now the case, it's a 316L grade stainless steel. Previously it was not 316L. Next is previously, like, the crystal was a mineral crystal, but this time they have added a sapphire crystal. So this is a sapphire crystal, and here we have the Triple Crown, and on this variant they have introduced this custom case back, which are with a custom case back design. As you can see here, we have the racer type of a design. Very nice looking racer design. And talking about the movement, guys, here it says this has got a Seiko VK63 Mecaquartz movement. Here it says we have on the bezel, here we have some printed, like, tachometer, and the speed is printed here. Starts from 400 and ends at 60. So the tachometer is there. Very nice looking watch. Now let's talk about the strap. The strap quality is really good this time. It's a navy blue color strap with a blue stitching. Very nice quality strap. I'm really impressed by the quality of the strap. On the back here we have the genuine leather printed and the DWC logo. Over here we have nothing at this side. This is a rally strap with a red stitching. Here we have the DWC logo. Red stitching. Very nice. The quality of the strap is really good, and very nice. Now let's talk about the dial, guys. So I'll just zoom the camera a little bit. Okay, yeah, so let's concentrate on the dial. So here we have a 39 case diameter, so pretty standard size, very good size. It will fit almost any wrist. Okay, I have like a 7.5 inch wrist, so it fits on my wrist perfectly, which I'll be showing you in the later part of the video. And here we have three sub dials. This right hand side one is, it counts the 24-hour clock. This one is the 24-hour clock. The below one is the actual second hand, and this one is the chronograph hour, like chronograph minute counter. So and there are three crowns. So if I press this, it will start the chronograph. And the hour markers are applied indices. These are the applied indices with Lume on the top, and at the side here we have the minute markers printed. And at 4 o'clock we have a small date window which shows today's date. And so the three function for this triple crowns are like, this one is to start and pause. So if I want to pause this chronograph, so I'll just press this and it will pause the stopwatch or the chronograph. And if I want to reset this, so I'll just press this. Okay, so that's how it resets. And as I mentioned, this time they have introduced Sapphire Crystal on this triple crown. On the previous model it was mineral crystal. Very nice looking watch. And if you ask if this is a good value for money watch, I would say yes, definitely, because due to the upgrades, now it comes with a 316L stainless steel, sapphire crystal, 100-meter water resistance. Previously it was 50-meter, now it's 100-meter water resistance. And yeah, so custom design at the back, case back, 100-meter water resistant, sapphire crystal, 316L stainless steel. So it's a very nice package, and you are getting a Seiko VK63 movement. If you want to purchase a Seiko VK63 movement watch, a chronograph watch from the brand like Seiko or other brands, or maybe a Citizen with their Citizen or Miyota lineup of this type of movement, or Timex, like a minimum it will cost you 15,000 rupees to 20,000, yeah, and even more. So for a 6,000 rupees watch, this is a very good value for money watch. I am definitely I'm liking the color of the dial. This reminds me of a BMW color, that blue, white and red stripe. Really nice. And I'll conclude the video with the Lume shot. Yeah, so let's check out the Lume now. And here is the Lume shot, guys. Beautiful Lume. This has the like the hour markers, and as well as the minute track. Like the whole thing is a Lume, so the Lume is really good. And also the minute and the hour hand has also Lume. Very nice Lume on this DWC Triple Crown.